Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your profile photo from certain contact or specific contact on your WhatsApp. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, let's just open up our WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp. Then we have to go to the WhatsApp setting. Click on the three dots to open the setting. Then here we will have some options. Then since we want to go to the settings, we can click on settings and click on the privacy. And then here you just need to click on your profile photo, and if you want to hide your profile photo from certain contact on your WhatsApp, you can click on my contacts, accept, and then you can select the contact you want to hide your profile photo from. And for instance, I'm just going to select this contact like this. Okay, after you're done selecting the contact, you can click on the check mark, and after that your profile photo on WhatsApp will be hidden from the contact you have selected. Alright guys, and that's how we can hide our profile photo on WhatsApp from a certain contact. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.